Hello, I thought I'd do another short reading today. Haven't done one in about a week. Just another reading in Canuck from Liebes Himnes a Samno, which I've probably shown you before. There you go, if you haven't seen it before. It is a publication first written in 1962 by the Kesrin Tavis Canuck. And yes, so as I've mentioned before, it's a book, a collection of hymns and psalms in Cornish, and I quite like it. It's got some beautiful little songs in it. Today I thought I'd read you one called, well, the tune is called Dundee. I'll put up the lyrics and everything underneath. It's almost an adaptation, as far as I can tell, from an English hymnal, well, a Scottish psalter called "I to the hills will lift my eyes," but the words are quite different, but it's to the same Dundee tune. I'll put the actual text in the description, but try and read it for you here so you can hear the Canuck, hear the Cornish and see what it sounds like and how it moves around. So apologies if I make any mistakes again. Okay. Luan alowenda ematia, sin en apresta view, golo abis pob de thinguia, nefa the nepgu. Icafia ena gwentan weg, hab logeno hab gwedfa, avo culvo anco anran, the worthin antirma. Ma calan savawolan vle, o glaze gans Moses kens, flos yain ha agan bin kin fe, in birthin ewn and hins. There you go. I'll put it up as well with the links to the text where it came from. That's it, just a short quick one today, and try and get back to doing these again soon.